Hello everyone, welcome to Ruth Daily TV. Today I shall be cooking breadfruit. Breadfruit is called okwa in Igbo language. For this recipe, I shall be using palm oil, salt, ash water. Ash water contains potassium, corn, cooked corn, pepper, oil bean. Oil bean is called oba in Igbo language. This oil bean contains iron, is rich in iron. So this recipe, I shall be using these few ingredients for this recipe. So now I will begin to wash it. First and foremost, I will wash the breadfruit. This breadfruit is dried one for some of you that need the taste of home. If you follow this way, when you cook this breadfruit this way, you will get the taste of home. Because sometimes when you cook dried breadfruit, it won't give you the taste of home. But I have just found the method that you will cook it. When you cook it, you will still get the taste of home. First of all, you wash it. After washing it, you cook it. After cooking it, then you sieve the water out. As you can see, I've cooked it and sieve it. Then I will put it back in the fire and cook it again. This one now is the final cooking. You need to cook it twice for you to get the taste of home. Then after parboiling it, then I put it back in the pot and add the ash water. The ash water it contains potassium. It helps to make the breadfruit to cook evenly. Then after you add the potassium or the ash water, you put on the fire and stir to ensure it mixed together. So you cover it and let it to cook evenly. The ash water will help it to cook quickly. Then, as you can see, it's done now. You stir to check if it's properly done. As you can see, if you want to know if it's done, if you see the water, you can see the water has changed color and the breadfruit is soft. So now what I will do, I will sieve it because I need the water and you need to eat it with the water as well. The water is rich in protein. This food is very expensive in my homeland because it's rich in protein. We don't waste anything. The water is useful. It's where all the ingredients are. So I still need the water because I'm gonna drink the water. So you can see I have sieved it. Then I will prepare the corn and the oil bean. Oil bean is oba, is rich in iron. So I will cook it. After cooking it, I'll add the breadfruit, the cooked breadfruit. I'm adding the cooked breadfruit. Then I will add the palm oil for the to make it to have a nice taste. I will add salt as well. It doesn't need much ingredients, just few ingredients. It needs a lot of pepper to cook it. It needs to be a bit spicy to give you the real taste of home. So I'll add these few ingredients. Palm oil. I'm adding palm oil. The palm oil will give it a nice color. It doesn't need too much palm oil to cook breadfruit. As you can see the color. Then you add salt. a little bit salt. It doesn't need much salt. Add salt. So this is the only ingredients it needs. It doesn't need too much, a lot of ingredients. So you mix, continue mixing until it combined perfectly. You can see you need to mix it properly. You need to mash until it cooked evenly. And you can see you continue mixing it until it combined properly. You need to mix it. As you are mixing it, you are mashing it. As you can see, mash it until it cooked evenly. You can see I'll continue mashing it. I'll continue turning. You can see it's done now. Everything is done. It doesn't need too much ingredients. You see, when you taste this, it will give you the taste of home. I'm not afraid of cooking dried breadfruit anymore. See it? It's very nice. See the final result. This water contains protein. It's very, very nice. Look at it. This is the way my dad likes to eat it. It's very nice. Look at it. We eat both the water together with the breadfruit. See, it's done now. Thank you for watching. You can try it. You get the taste of home.